Want to know how to log out of MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application. So we have also created a video on how to install and download MoonPay, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done that, here you should be on this page right here. So on the top right side, you should be seeing this settings icon. Just simply select it. You should be directed to settings tab right here. Now once you enter settings tab, here you should be seeing your profile right here. Now logging out is super simple. Here you should be seeing on the bottoms right below terms and disclosure logout. Just simply select it and then select logout right here. And once you've done that, you should be automatically logged out of MoonPay. And that's it. Super simple and easy. See you in the next one.